Welcome to Azure Essentials. In the next few minutes, we'll take a look at the built-in capabilities for managing your VMs and resources once they're running in Azure. We give you the freedom to manage the needs of your environment, whether that's setting your own maintenance windows, ensuring a holistic hybrid view across your data center in Azure, or the many other custom needs that you may have. A combination of granular controls and a higher level of visibility through powerful native analytics helps you to configure and maintain your VMs at scale using robust management tools, monitor the health and performance of your apps, infrastructure, and network, troubleshoot issues as they arise with live telemetry, and optimize resource utilization and manage your costs in Azure. So let's start with your VMs. Once you've created and provisioned them in Azure, you can get an operational view of a specific VM from the Azure portal with information derived directly from the running VM. From here, you can also perform management operations against your VMs. For example, you can take inventory of everything that's running on the VM from software, files, Windows registry, and Windows services. And of course, you can also check inventory across all of your VMs by selecting Manage Multiple Computers. The good news is, you can also get the same consistent experience for Linux VMs as well. Now, of course, most operational issues are caused by changes in the system. From within your VM, you can identify configuration changes from files to registry keys to help you pinpoint operational issues. And through change tracking, you can drill into what's changed in a specific time frame and investigate the nature of the change. As before, you can track changes across all of your VMs with the same Manage Multiple Computers view. Update management in Azure then allows you to keep current with recommended updates and to quickly apply them. You can see and track all missing updates for both Linux and Windows and schedule them. Select which updates you want to deploy, such as critical updates, and choose your maintenance window. Once you start to get more operational insights, there's a number of things you can do. For instance, you can build more redundancy into your environment by leveraging Azure Backup to create a backup of your VMs at a specified time interval. There also might be other post-deployment configuration steps that you want to perform. If, for example, you want to configure a VM for a specific task, one of the best ways to achieve this is within the Azure portal via Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell supports two of the most popular scripting languages, Bash and PowerShell. Now, a huge advantage is that it allows you to bring in your existing scripts and run them natively on your Azure resources, and it persists what you've stored for Cloud Shell even as you move between your workstations and mobile devices. Alternatively, you can leverage Azure Automation to run tasks on a schedule or to sequence multiple tasks. You can create your own or choose from the gallery of existing operational tasks in the form of graphical runbooks or scripts and execute them based on your desired triggers. Within the Azure portal, we also give you an aggregate view to be able to monitor your resources across applications in your subscription so that you can see your health and performance in real time. You can configure your own custom operational dashboards within the Azure portal and pin reporting tiles across your Azure resources that are important to you. Additionally, Azure Monitor enables monitoring of your Azure services and resources and allows you to query additional metrics such as the health of host services in your region. It comprises of a highly scalable and reliable telemetry pipeline that collects metrics and logs, health and service events from your Azure services. And you can also monitor change activity by setting up near real-time alerting, including who should be notified on the team and your preferred notification method. Next, Azure Log Analytics creates logs of all activity going on in your environment. This is critical for troubleshooting issues and maintaining an accurate audit trail for compliance. You can query these logs and get insights across your workloads and systems to ensure availability and meet desired performance levels. Now, selecting the Advanced Log Analytics capability then enables you to do more sophisticated querying using a query language which is similar to SQL. All of these alerts and outputs can be integrated with your preferred IT service management solutions and existing processes. So we've looked at some of the core capabilities for management, monitoring, and troubleshooting. And to add to that, you've got a number of options to help you optimize resource consumption and how you configure your app environments within Azure. Azure Advisor analyzes the usage patterns of your resources and how you set them up, and then offers personalized recommendations to help you avoid potential issues. It can, for example, help ensure business continuity of your mission-critical apps by detecting deployments containing single points of failure and resources that aren't configured to meet SLAs with high availability recommendations. You can also use it to help you make the most of Azure resources. For example, you can see underutilized VMs, the potential cost savings for each VM, and from there, choose which to resize or shut down. To manage costs across all of your Azure subscriptions, the free Azure Cost Management can then help you track VM sizing and corresponding resources to give you recommendations for optimizing costs. Lastly, as additional resources are spun up, Azure Policy allows you to enforce specific policies for setting up resources. Think of these as environment blueprints where you have certain policies that you want to enforce, or certain rules or compliance for each new resource created. Where this becomes powerful is in the ability to set up initiatives which comprise multiple policies that you can enforce and track. For example, requiring minimum OS versions and security controls, or policy scoping VM disk and processor attributes. You can define your own policy or customize policies based on built-in policy definitions. Also, in the compliance blade, you can see whether your resources are compliant with the initiatives and policies that you've set. All of this ensures that your resources meet your utilization, cost, compliance, or other stated needs. So that was a quick overview of managing your VMs and resources once they're running in Azure. It's worth noting that beyond being able to integrate alerts with your existing IT management solutions, you can also set up the monitoring and troubleshooting technologies in Azure to supervise events in your data center for hybrid management. You can explore deeper learning experiences at the link shown, and of course, keep checking back on Azure Essentials for more topics. Thanks for watching.